While doing research to figure out which Vestal Domino Joiner to purchase, I stumbled across the Igooo Dowel Joiner. I'm going to try to use this as a suitable replacement because it's a much more reasonable price. It comes in a pretty sturdy bag. Some dowels came with it. It's got an adjustable fence. Make sure it comes to 90 degrees. It's packaged pretty well. Has a similar motion. It easily plunges in. Seems pretty sturdy and durable. It also came with instructions. Oh, they're larger dowels. It also comes with multiple sizes of bits. And then some accessories. So I'm going to put a square up to it and see if it's exactly 90 degrees. It is not. So I will have to adjust this. So I guess you have to watch and make sure it's at 90 degrees when you get out of the box, which is the same as any tool. The joiner comes with two 10mm bits, two 6mm drill bits, and two 8mm drill bits. So you can swap them out based on the thickness of your wood. So there's a plastic adjuster on the side that controls how deep the plunging motion goes. So all you have to do is take this knob, turn it like this, and adjust it to where you want it. If you don't want it to go deep at all, you can make it so it doesn't move at all. That's how tight it is. And if you want it to go deeper, you just adjust it to here, tighten down this knob, and then it will go that deep. This isn't the most durable control, but it should work for what I'm using it for. So my dowels are 1.5 inches long. I want to go 3/4 of an inch, a little over 3/4 of an inch deep. So I'm going to take this knob, adjust it like this, and go to right there. And that should be the plunge depth that I would like to go to. And then the fence has an adjusting knob right here to go up and down. So you can turn this and it adjusts the depth for the depth of the board. Seems like a pretty solid tool. It'd be fine for what I'm using it for. If you were doing large production runs, I would say you probably won't last forever for you. But for me, this should hold up for quite a few years. So to change the drill bits, there's an Allen key right here in the handle. It just slides right out. And then there are two nut bolts right here that you unscrew with it. Turn it, slide it down like this. Pulls right out. Bolt. And we're going to take the 10mm bolt, slide it in with the flat side up. back that screw out a little bit more. Okay, it slides right in there. And then on the other side here, tighten this little tiny screw down right there. And then we'll tighten it down a little bit more. These drill bits are extremely easy to swap out. There. Okay, so flip on the on switch on the side right here. Line up the hole at the line. The side. There we go. 2 perfect holes. So now I need to put one in this side of my leg, which I'll put right here. It's gonna be a little bit harder to clamp. Let's bring it out farther, like this. This. There's my line right here. So I'm going to line it up. Make sure I'm good. Okay. Flip on my switch. There we go. 2 more holes, which should line up perfectly. There's also a dust port on the bottom. I need to play around with this to figure out what attachments I can use to suck up the dust, because it's drilling a hole, so obviously there's going to be dust. Now I'm going to test the fit. Take 2 of the 10mm dowels. They're very snug. This one's a snug fit. Goes in. Take my, I always get this backwards. Take my leg. There we go. Perfect. Out there. I just got done using the Igooo Dowel Joiner for the first time. I'm happy with how my dresser table legs turned out. If you'd like to take a look at it, I'll have a link in the description for both Amazon and Aliexpress.